Hey, what's up everyone? I'm your host Satyajit and welcome to Spirit Tales. So guys, today I'm gonna make a shandy. So basically a traditional shandy is a mix of two drinks, lemonade and beer. And here I am gonna make that simple shandy in a very unique way.
Shandy or Radler is a cocktail, beer mixed with lemonade in a 50-50 ratio. But here I am gonna make it in a unique way. I am adding spiced infused vodka. It will add a color, flavor, aroma and extra kick in your drink. Link is given in description how to make infused vodka.
So guys, before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
Take a beer mug or a pilsner. Now fill it up with ice cubes. Okay, this much will be good. Now add a large measure of spiced infused vodka. Guys, you can see the color. This is the natural color of spices. Pour the infusion into beer mug. Guys, see the color. Looks amazing. Alright, cool. Add fresh lemonade for sweet and sour taste. Around 100 ml of lemonade will be fine. With a spoon, stir it well so that both the ingredients get mixed properly and get chilled. I'm gonna keep the garnish quite a simple, just with a lime wheel, but you can use a lemon wedge or an orange slice. Finally, fill the glass with a light lager beer. That's all. And your super shandy is ready to go. Cheers. Okay, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Don't drink and drive, drink responsibly. Till the time, take care and bye-bye. See you in the next video.